Just picked up this dash cam from my wife. This looked like a great dash cam. It's got 4K quality, 8 million pixels with a Sony sensor, and 250 gigabyte max. The packaging looks awesome. Let's open it up and see what's in it. Alright. Looks like we got a book, instruction manual, user manual. Very nicely packed. There's no way this is going to get hurt. Nice tiny dash cam, a nice big screen. This looks awesome. And underneath the camera, you have another little compartment, another box. Let's see what's in here. Oh, looks like we have all the adapters here. Oh, it comes with the tools to hide the wires too. That's awesome, a little trim tool removal. Looks like we have a suction cup mount and just a sticky back mount. The cord is plenty long enough. And it's got a rear view camera too. And then it plugs right into your cigarette lighter. Looks like an awesome durable camera.